I'm Angie St., your North Lafayette Parish reporter here near the steps of the University of Louisiana at Lafayette, where I'm trying to understand what led to the revocation of student visas for at least 3 students here at the school, prompting questions about what's next for these and other international students. A sense of fear and panic.
We are spreading the news to each other. We need to be cautious while we're driving, while we're talking, while we doing everything. So this is kind of scary.
Some of the international students at the University of Louisiana at Lafayette I spoke with say they are devastated by the recent news that F-1 visas for 3 students at the institution were canceled by the Trump administration. This sophomore at UL too scared to show her face.
We have to be very careful to registration our courses. We cannot register the courses extra what we could do before.
Late Tuesday, UL remained tight-lipped about what led to the cancellation of the visas. School Communications Director Eric Moran said the school could not comment any further due to privacy reasons. The U.S. Department of State can cancel student visas if a student fails to maintain their status, if a student commits a crime, or if a student is deemed a threat to national security. While the reason for the UL visa cancellations are unknown, Lafayette attorney Tala Vasoji says there is a cause for concern.
Students are fearful of, not knowing if their visa is going to be revoked. Some are here on scholarships and what may happen to their scholarships and financial contributions that have been made to their education.
UL would not confirm how many students are currently on F-1 visas at the institution and why these 3 students had their visas revoked. But Shavari Dalal Denny, Senior Director of Government Relations at the American Immigration Lawyers Association, says the number of students impacted across the country is wide.
We recently learned that the Immigration and Customs Enforcement has terminated over 4,700 records of foreign students across the country.
The cancellations now leaving students in a state of limbo.
So a lot of these foreign students are, wrapping up their semester right now and are having to deal with this trauma of not knowing why they're being having their visas revoked and also not knowing what comes next.
Now, some of the international students we spoke with today say they are afraid. They're afraid of what's next and what could happen to their studies here at the university. As for the 3 students who had their visas revoked, we're still unsure as to what will happen next. But Tala advises anyone who finds themselves in this position to contact an immigration attorney immediately. Angie St., your North Lafayette Parish reporter for KATC TV3.